Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off hide notification badges in Work Focus on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the Focus, choose the Work. Then after that, in the Work Focus, click Options under the Notifications. Then in the Notifications options, find the Hide Notification Badges, and as you will see, there's a switch button on the right side of it. Then all you have to do is just turn it on to enable until it becomes green. When the Hide Notification Badges is enabled, hide notifications badges of silence apps on your home screen, your other apps will continue to be badged. And if you want to turn off, just turn again the switch button to disable. And that's it. We have successfully turned on and off hide notification badges in Work Focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching.